What if the only thing stopping you from success is something you do every single day? Something so common you don't even realize you're doing it? This is the story of Alex, and it could change your life forever. Meet Alex, a talented young person with big dreams, but a small bank account, just like millions of people around the world. Alex worked at a local tech repair shop, dreaming of something bigger. I have so many ideas. I could create something amazing. But, that word became Alex's worst enemy. But I don't have enough money. But I don't have the right connections. But successful people are just lucky. But it's different for people like me. Does this sound like someone you know? Maybe someone you see in the mirror every morning? Alex had become a master of excuses. One day, everything changed. A successful entrepreneur walked into the shop with a broken laptop. This laptop contains my entire business presentation. Can you save it? I have just 2 hours before the biggest meeting of my career. Alex worked like magic and recovered everything in just 30 minutes. While paying, the entrepreneur noticed Alex's notebook filled with innovative business ideas. These ideas are brilliant. Are you planning to start a business? Well, I'd love to, but I don't have startup money, and the competition is huge, and I don't know the right people, and… Stop right there. Can I ask you something? How long have you been making excuses instead of taking action? That question hit Alex like a thunderbolt. The entrepreneur, Sam, shared wisdom that would change everything. Alex, I've traveled to 30 countries and met thousands of entrepreneurs. Rich countries, poor countries, doesn't matter. You know what I learned? Every successful person faces the exact same challenges you do. No money, fear of failure, tough competition, family doubts. Sam continued, the only difference between those who succeed and those who don't. Successful people stop making excuses and start making solutions. Your circumstances don't determine your success. Your response to those circumstances does. But what about people who have advantages? Rich families, good connections? Some of the most successful people I know started with nothing. No money, no connections, no advantages. But they had something more powerful. They refused to use their situation as an excuse. That night, Alex did something different. Instead of making excuses, Alex made a plan. Problem: no money to start. Solution: start with what I have, earn while I build. Problem: no connections. Solution: build relationships one person at a time. Problem: might fail. Solution: learn from failure and try again. For every excuse Alex had been making, there was an action to take. The next morning, instead of complaining about problems, Alex started solving them. 3 months later, first prototype built with savings. 6 months later, first customers from social media. 1 year later, a growing online business. Not because the problems disappeared, but because excuses were replaced with actions. 18 months later, Alex's innovative product caught the attention of international investors. Sitting in that video call with investors from 3 different countries, Alex remembered Sam's words. After closing a major deal, Alex messaged Sam. Sam, I did it. My business is now international. But I have to ask, why did you push me so hard that day? Because I saw what you couldn't see. Unlimited potential trapped behind unlimited excuses. Your talent was always there. It just needed to stop hiding behind "but" and "what if." Here's the truth Alex discovered, and what you need to understand. No matter where you live, what language you speak, or what your background is, successful people face the same obstacles you do. The difference? They choose solutions over excuses. They choose action over complaints. They choose possibility over limitations. Your location doesn't determine your destination. Your situation doesn't determine your success. Your excuses are the only thing standing between you and your dreams. So, here's my challenge to you, wherever you are in the world. What's one excuse you've been making? What's one small action you could take today if that excuse didn't exist? Don't wait for perfect conditions. They don't exist. Stop making excuses. Start making progress. Your breakthrough is waiting for you to stop explaining why you can't and start proving that you can. If this story inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more international success stories, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Success has no passport. It belongs to those who stop making excuses and start making moves.